Are officially plugged into the Overview Podcast.
From the capital. This station is now the ultimate power in the universe, baby. Overview Radio, bring you Overview Podcast. I'm your man, Joey, and I'm with the whole team out here, man. We outside. Everyone is out here, man. Everyone is outside. Flays at the motherfucking DJ, the only DJ
What's
who
up,
can
homie?
rap. Chief Ghost is out there. I can see him. Borosa is out there. Everyone is out. Yeah, man. Flays
Yeah,
up.
one time, homie. We back, baby.
Take it away, my boy. What's
It's your boy
poppin'?
Flazer, the motherfucking DJ, the only DJ who can fucking rap. Arumur's gone bloody shit.
Rubbish.
Shuditala, Polo,
Edi Palace.
The Hanka, Quiza,
Agona
Oro,
Orokare.
Because me and Flazer.
Oh, okay. Cousin. Hey.
What's up, homie?
Yeah, they're like nothing much. Are you good?
Hey, Shimon, it's been a hectic week.
Yeah.
Milobo Kwete, but
Yeah, but before we go there, dude, like, can't tell like Negebala do dude, like it's been like almost 6 months ever since the shooter Mosaikai.
6 months.
Yeah. Psychiat Palm Hospitality.
We gotta give it 2 months. Come on, time flies.
Hey, Lord, dog.
Time flies.
How is the place?
So far, so good. Nothing to complain about.
Oh.
Just that it is a lot of gotta have the room. Yeah, it was 7. Rende comfortable in a way.
Yeah, like I know this.
When stuff fine.
Yeah, man, Psychiat is the place to be, man, as you can see. Like I mentioned before, we outside, man. Dude, like that's the only fucking podcast who's outside.
Yeah.
You know, dude, like the rest of the guys, they do it indoor. You know?
I see, Molo. Shots on shots.
Yeah, man. Chief Ghost, are you
I'm
there,
there, my niggas. Chief Ghost is the motherfucking name. Central is what I represent, and Overview is where I'm at, guys. How you guys doing?
Hey, Steve, dog, hey.
Oh,
Legs are Steve,
Smogo.
dog. Hey, dog, Jim.
Kutula kote boss lady ulu hupile mas say.
Hey, man, the boss lady is killing us, dog. Hey, dog. So, yeah, dude, like we started gym like last week, you know. Yeah, dude, like we did it for 5 days.
Oh yeah?
And then, man, it's been crazy.
One time, man.
It's
niggas.
been
One
crazy,
time,
dog. It's
one
been
time.
crazy. Shout out to Jack's Gym, dude, like for putting us up on this one.
True.
Yeah,
Facts.
it's the Overview Wellness Challenge, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, the Overview Wellness Challenge, you know, like we're challenging ourselves and all the overviewers out there.
Yeah.
For you guys, like let us try it. Dude, like let us get into fitness.
Yeah.
Let's see what, dude, like what happens, you know.
Hello, Nonso Tyler Garonding and it's about 2. 2 million or 6 rounds.
Can you say that though? Like, I mean, like, for the past 5 days, like, have you ever noticed any change? Like,
What
in
am
terms of-
1,000,001?
No, sex.
No, I haven't had sex.
For real?
Yeah, no, true. I haven't. Ke mo breaki. I get ra gona hore ke ba kanye mmele. Le alcohol ke emisitse nyana ke gona ela ka bedea.
I get the fuck out.
No, but I'm being honest.
Even me. Yeah, man, like we have Boroso in the Boroso.
The real Boro.
Yeah, the real Boroso. It's a Kwete.
Hey yo, what's up? Dumela Batswana ko lapeng. This is your boy Boroso.
AKA Mateniko.
Yeah, man. It's been fun last week. Ria go gymming. You come to the gym ka colonia na go tubatala boss lady.
Yeah, man, and shout out to Agatha Tlolang as well. Though.
Yeah, no, shout
You
out
know,
to the boss lady Scooby.
Yeah. Hey, man, I do like she's doing a tremendous job.
Yeah.
I do like at the gym.
Yeah.
So like so far, like what have you learned about fitness, Hella?
It's not child's play,
Oh.
and you need to be dedicated. You need to be strong mentally, physically, emotionally. Kore ha o tehela bora ke tswa di biring ka gore ke tsana mo gym wa khwela batho khwela le di machine.
Yeah.
So that's why it takes time. Le nna hela personally it's I think gore ke re ngwa gantse ke re ke batla go gym ke batla.
Yeah, for a while.
It's sort of ke batla go gym because batho ba re ke mokima or ke thabia ke ditlhong anything e le kganya gore you know what I need to take responsibility of my body and change ka ha ke lebegang ka teng ke kgone go nna fit ra gola we need to avoid dilo tsa go tshwana le dilo tsa bo stress kantela o na le stress o nna le di-stroke di
no paya tsamaya
you know di menopause ka go bo mago ka le gone ka ha o ga thaka ha o so lo ita sente sa di wa tsama wa go bata le 14 wa go bata bofela ya bofela ka bone ba ji
ya ga bofela ba ji
bona ba ntse di six pack mo di video bo flazer ka me cover nyana le bo bona ba di bitsa bo hippo ya
fela wa ntsha kana
fela wa
bona Instagram wa gago
you know so
Yeah.
ke khanyela go nna responsible and so far it's a good thing that we started this. I hope and pray and have faith that we'll get or reach where we want in this.
Are you willing to
this
stay in
challenge.
it though?
Yeah.
Because we're like,
So far, I'm
Chief
starting to
Ghost
love
has
it.
been on it for how long now? 3 years?
Yeah, 3 years.
Yeah,
Yeah.
3 years. Do like, are you willing to stay on it?
Yeah. I'm saying,
Yeah.
I'm starting to love it now.
But do like, you know what I hate about this gym thing? Do like, I hate the fact that if ever like, or like whenever we get to lose weight, do like the hippo, do like, you get it?
No,
like,
dog.
Do like the two hippos
We
name,
the
do it even make
motherfucking
sense?
two hippos. The name ain't going nowhere.
From Mr. Hippo to Mr. Spy.
Ba tsoga ba botsa ka moso ba ba sa ritse gore kante ke lebitswa bo hip ba bona re le DJ re tswa le bo fela le bo Chief Ghost. No, there's a reason.
Bagaivo, mana
re tswa kgakala ha re tsweha.
Dog.
Tsena mo di Instagram tsa rena le bona re kile be re ntsa.
Boroso, what's the most challenging thing about fitness so far that you can talk about? I mean, do like it has always been, I think it has only been a week now.
the most challenging things nka se buang right now ke gore mmele ga o sa tlwaela
Hey,
when he's not used to gymming. Hey,
Yeah.
like dude.
what I've seen.
Like the second day when I was home, I couldn't do anything.
Mm.
Even to lift a cup. No go le dingana. Ya no ba tlola at home na ba feel gore ke bodipa go tira yana ke ra no. I can't.
Mabo.
I get
Kana ba tsokola pe.
But one thing for sure, guys, we are men.
Like,
We can't give up. Giving up is not an option. So
Definitely.
yeah, we keep on going.
definitely. I mean, what about you, Chief Ghost? I mean, do like you've been on this fitness journey for a while now. 3 years in, like, what can you say about it?
Hey, the hands man, I be destructive as fuck.
Dude, that gym.
I'm like.
No, you are being honest.
No, but it's. Whenever I'm confused.
Dude, like in the morning, dog.
Whenever I'm confused, I'm say it's all
Pakel. Hey.
But anyway, besides Bana, like you guys are saying, I share the same sentiment as Lelo. Like kanya. Ya gore ha mmele o sa tloela like skarantsa bua gore like gonna dingalo and stuff but
On the way, you'll catch up.
let's just keep going, man, niggas. Re tla achieve se tsontseng gore sa achieve. I believe in you guys.
Yeah.
I believe in you, and I always see the pictures mo group ngere bona these guys.
Yeah.
They are going at it. Bona
Yeah.
ba re ka togela bojalo ano.
Yeah.
Re bonwa kana kwele.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll be gone.
Shout out to Nes Bay as well.
Shout out to Nes Bay, dog. Shout out to Nes Bay. Nes Bay, you can look for the Syrian Rao, but I want to just go look for Nes Bay.
Yeah, this one is Nes Bay. So, do like we are officially the 5 a.m. club.
Yeah, no.
Officially.
definitely, Yeah.
Do like the-
Ba bona gore ha re tsena kwa ditlela go sena opera tunes. Ha re tswa motho gore e le gore ntse le ka re tswa mo teng. A o bone setitos.
And do like this would make you see, or do like when you get there, you'd see people who are running the economy there already.
Yeah.
In the gym.
Yeah. the city
Already,
never sleeps.
you know, do like the CEOs are there, do like the entrepreneurs, but are there, stuff like that.
And in a way, how you don't get jealous, you get inspired.
Exactly.
You know, these niggas, it's 4 a.m. They're here,
Yeah.
they're working out. o beile suit wa gagwe hale ha tswa go tsena mo showereng wa tlhapa wa spanning
Yeah.
ga gona nako a bo ke tsoga ka 9 motshegare
Yeah.
o simolla wa go bata magwinya le ma fresh wa bona gore you get inspired of shit gore nna I've been doing this the wrong way.
Yeah.
That's the reason why bona batho ba re there's 8 to 5 nako tse dingwe kgona go bona gore go diela nako motho yena a tsogile ka 4 years plenty of time ga ntse go ipotsa gore ka nte motho o dira dilo jang
You know, because like, I know, like, ha batho ba tsoga wena o setse o pushitse something.
You see.
You
That
get
is
it?
the thing,
You
though.
see.
That is the
You
thing.
see, yeah.
Yeah.
wena o emela 8 to 5 e be nna amen
E be nna
motho ene
amen.
sa la tsogile ka 4 from 5 se tsa simotse go pusha ha sala gago a ya go ita 5 gore se tsa dabotse spane sa gago wena so se dira
And do like maloba haretswada do like we took note of we took note of the cars sending like the vehicles and everything do like in the morning do like big cars were moving.
yeah
You know, like it goes out and
Expensive cars.
early in the morning,
Yeah.
dog. It do like as early as 6. You know, do like that will show you what do like the economy doesn't sleep.
yeah
And
Never.
and
Ba e rana at that time
while most of us are out there sleeping. You get it? So yeah, guys.
a re gana gore ba
you
ba
know,
ba ile go jang pondase
uh,
but mehela da running the economy
get off your butts, guys.
Tilo
Like,
gate mogolo kwa bana Raction.
yeah, shout out to Raction as well. Yeah, dude, like you know, yeah, like yeah, he's at the gym as well.
Ala mmotsa gore
Gore re tla mmotsa re mmotse gore ke mmotse gore nga ke mo
ora bana ba tsoga.
bo mambo mo lefe ate mampane ate mama nya whenever nya re tla botsa. Yeah, shout out to Raction, man. Like I said, guys, get your butts off, let us go to gym. If me and Flazer can do this, dog, everybody can do this. And we're like, yeah, you should see Flazer at the gym, though.
yo pase
Mas lady da Maria. Tanya. Yo pastor. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys. Yeah, fitness is the way, guys. Yeah, like let us do this overview fitness challenge. If you want to join in, like just follow Overview Radio content tarona like o tla bona re go iragalang, you know, like tla bore go bontsha gore go iragalang stuff like that. Moving on, 1 million followers for Mampeezy. Pambele. You know, 1 million followers on Facebook for Mampeezy. Shout out to you, Mampeezy. You know, yeah. Do like I think he's the like the second person from Batswana with 1 million followers, huh? After William Laskeyere.
I guess sure, man. I guess sure.
Who else has 1 million followers?
But true, like one.
I'm not sure. But then
Yeah, I
again,
mean like for Mawila he has 4 million followers.
Yeah.
Mampeezy has 1 million. Thanks to Spalapala as well. You know, I don't know.
yes.
You know, yeah.
Cross borders.
Cross borders.
Akwale kako.
Ka kwale kapo. A re pushe mo gatsa.
Hasile.
Just like you just.
Ati undipendi. Yeah, man. 1 million followers on Facebook.
Yeah.
Like this is a big thing, huh?
But me na ke eletsa gore yanong content this can not too much on Facebook. O tsena go Twitter o push, tsena go
Yeah.
go ira madi sentle.
True.
Bo TikTok, you know, Instagram, shit like that.
Yeah. But yeah.
Ke ra hela
Yeah.
not meaning gore go posa gore abanele 1 million views and
Yeah.
you know, followers
Other
on-
platforms should be catered
yeah,
for as
wa
well.
go balance
Yeah.
go tle mmogo.
Yeah, and like this also goes to other creatives out there,
Yeah,
Lerona
yeah.
included, because like the world is mostly on this other apps.
Yeah,
You know, bo
Rascara-
Insta, bo Twitter,
Yeah, Rascara focus on
LinkedIn,
that,
dog.
LinkedIn.
If you want a LinkedIn account, you
I
know,
doubt. I doubt.
check out if you want a LinkedIn
Ah,
account.
lo batla go sa-
Check out if you want a mo LinkedIn or
Tela no butse group.
I go check out on a LinkedIn page you.
Eh no ke ta shaka mogolo.
Do like it's supposed to be there. I mean, do like that is like the biggest artist in the country.
But I doubt.
Hey, the sarcasm in this check. Ayo man.
You lie. You lie.
The V brand is not there.
It's not there.
Ah, it's
But
not
me
there.
so so nka ba le ko
Yeah.
parce que lebile gore ke brand bo botona.
Exactly, you know.
Should be there.
Yeah.
But guys, I had a conversation ka this thing le some guy maloba bona. Avantar, kore ne ke mo bontsha gore no bona mogolo a celebrate 1 million avantar. But for mogolo to be celebrating 1 million at this time wa how hit ya ka it's supposed to because
Yeah, no, true.
I don't know, maybe he expects gore via ba se anka ba se hitile 1 million.
I celebrate the 5 million.
Exactly, what do you guys think of that?
No,
take?
he was honest. Naki dumanle.
Well, yeah, true. Kore, I wouldn't say that. Kore I would say that hagomakatse gore V. Kore like it's not a big thing. Gore V aba hitile 1 million. You get it? Because like he's been like the biggest artist in the country like for over 20 years. You know, if anything, someone would expect him but at the same time, you can say, to be honest, Bovi like social media seriously.
Late, yeah, no,
You
true,
know,
true,
yeah, do like at a very latest stage when you know, I get like before never sabi like like you look at Bo Franco and do like that not taking the social media serious stuff like
it
that.
goes back to Khanyano Yabo PR, your craftsmanship very seriously. Because batho ba bakotas bata bana le knowledge e tsitsibanya mmele. They know dionyana ka bontsi wa bona yo tse di trendang, other platforms, other apps, other shit like that. So you need to sit down. PR ga ile gore wena itse sepe bogolo o hire PR ile gore it's very smart.
Yeah, definitely.
We itse gore o gona go bulela ditsela hale ways tse le gore le wena ka moso gona gore o tswa o Mr Music me o bontse o continue o hira madi.
Exactly. Brand ambassadorships, stuff like that. Yeah. But dude, like I love yeah. But dude, like this goes back to most of BW creatives, dog. For instance, Chief Ghost is always complaining like BW creatives or celebrities or whatsoever. How do like they don't have professional photos?
Yeah.
True. Do like most of them don't have professional photos. I do like motota ba snapper dina wala se swali BJB about mo Facebook.
Kana, I was sending la ru dire flyer.
Kana go sendela ru dire flyer.
It becomes hard for creatives to do the flyer from the idea.
You get it. So do like we should take like our social media
very seriously.
Serious, because do like right now gonna do like the world is online.
Happy it is so a poster. Let's also twana. Kora ka ha ke gane gore ka poster but how se tsole brand it's go poster eng how posti. A go poster hela snap on tse hela go go sa recipe.
Yeah.
Gona batho ba le gore that social they do social marketing wa bona.
Yeah.
Definitely. The wardrobe manager, road manager,
yeah.
We say serious. We say no, but mona ke letsa gore go nne yana mo page nya. Aba go bolela but the right way is to do 1 2 3 4 5. Ke letsa gore ke apare yana. No, apara 1 2 3 4 5. Ha ke gane e o ka nna le idea but gore nne bontle. Ira jana le jana. E se go apara machaka jana.
Yeah, kama. Yeah, but at the same time like the controversy is necessary, guys, huh? I do like we need that controversy, keep on fighting. We this and that. But do like I just like the Mampeezy transition lately, huh? Could do like ever since I open this pala, you can see content on like the prank. Could do like he's not only musician or whatsoever. Quite like you can see a different dimension of content, pranks are there.
He's Snoop Dogg, he's just doing everything.
Not really, though. Like, I just think that Pala is the
cherry on top. Spice.
No, I do like the check when we review and say I'm all along.
Like from way back up until now. V ha isere bone ha kopana leo, ha kopana leo.
Ya o breakile medinisi.
Sala I break ka cage.
Sala I break ka cage.
Ero ai sure no ya nteo.
But more guys, tell me this, why is it that I'd say that Botswana women, because that's what I see. I get it. Why is it that Botswana women always feel offended in a way whenever Mampeezy abokas pala? Do you like praising pala? Or you know what? This chick it's a party. This chick wapa. This chick hell. This chick bought groceries with her own money. Why is it that could you like it's always like do like an insult to women? No, like an attack to women in a way. Could you like they feel attacked?
I feel like they took this issue, gender equality, by cleavage way too much. The reason why I'm saying that is I felt like Basadi Kabunsi, they wanted to see Mampeezy being hurt or not moving
beyond
on.
repair.
You see,
Kagiso a batswa lastly,
she's the shit.
Yeah.
But now you can tell that Kagiso Mampeezy is just happy.
Yeah.
On a let's pala, we posted like the video. He's just having fun. He's just happy. He's just.
Yeah.
We might not
exactly.
know, inside.
I mean, from the Netflix movie, what we see, like the man is happy.
You see.
You know, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
like,
now
Kariso's content there.
Yes, Kariso's, that's the reason why when I deleted you and I deleted it. How about now delete the post on Facebook? It means that some way, somehow, I regret o dirile jalo o postile kana o buile so se buile
O simple.
So like I'm saying, it goes back to Kanyone gender equality. I feel like basadi ba
feel
gore Kagiso ne
okay. To them, okay, like to women. Wait. Are you saying that if it was the other way around,
I feel like, to be honest, I feel like Majitanke Basnana Kumokal or Mampeezy Mona, Onale Maduna di Koloi, or Nale Hota Bona Masadio Mota move on.
So it's just women being women now.
Or Alita Oscar or later, I know Ojo Imon, you get back up, Mon. In Nakanyune. But me and Kauriki Kimosati, people didn't expect. Or Kagiso Kara has about Samol Matang or any guy in Doda Mas. So it didn't go the right way as they planned Ilibasad.
Plus, so I'm around Dingalamana, Kifilar Naba said dog from my perspective.
Yeah.
For them to see love expression to Mutomo, it's something rare to them, dog. That's why they feel some type of way about that thing. Because Bona, I don't think this is something rare to them. Just let me just say that. It's something so they envy it.
To see like a woman doing everything right for a man.
Exactly.
Yeah. So like they feel attacked.
Yeah.
That's why Barnabale angry.
Especially some Botswana Sharia.
Adding on to so Sibua. Kesa buika Kagiso and VN's Palapal.
Yeah.
How long fun? Ebe who is your relationship ya thata. And only happy blind or ratan. Machiria beto ke. I'm telling you, Machiria beto ke or I like the ratana mon. I wish it was me. I wish it was
so
me.
like most of them they wish they were Sapalapa.
Yeah. A lot.
No, but you know, like you hit a Gaoriano has a motor.
So we will Limpopo where we sing our side.
Yeah, boy, Limpopo.
Mr. Makas.
Or Mr. Makas.
We are like that. What are we Limpopo? Like it's a palapala, just the tip of the iceberg in terms of Limpopo.
Let's go and harvest.
There's a gold mine out there.
Let's go and harvest.
There's a gold mine out there.
Yeah, Libata Waringa was one of women. But most of
why
them.
would you so about Toko Wanamoto express a rato? Like, why is that?
Do like just that? No,
that's just
it's
being
the first
said.
time do like it becomes a problem.
But reflect the matata over to Baba.
Same applies to
how we are Santa Kilo La Pat. Hope also Hagai.
Dog.
Let Nahala like it so particularly Kilo 21. Because I really go because Kilo like and how was said, I'm happy.
What cleanelwa? What happened? Kisanta pay. La no yet. Like what a lot like on so you know, I want to buy groceries with you. Could do like those are the things they know. To be honest, they make us do like I just hate how women can be free from a man. But Ronari Bua, dude, like there's nothing wrong with we or to like capella. A woman who cleans after me. You get it. A woman who know what Hannah my dear. o kgona go mpha sengwe kana o kgona go reka ka madi a
There's absolutely nothing
you
wrong
get
with
it
it.
but vn ha bua gore no o hilwe madi o rekelwa grocery like it becomes a problem
Hey, my VDF for gompieno, eh?
a gompieno video
Viva VDF, viva!
but
Sir, what a surprise that's what a turn of events
I can like that,
Viva Mampeezy, viva.
Viva!
But there was a posting we keep boning. It was a woman on Facebook. She posted that on 2 years. Everything was fine, happy, lovely, you know. And then after that 2 years in Zabanyalan, the guy started getting sick. Getting sick to do anything. Kore ko ibile mo ke luxury mo kore go pala like totally Spanish hedile sengwe sengwe kore go shatile down wa bona and Cheria bua gore I'm 28 years old
she's young
wa bona me ona le 2 years anyetse
shit 26
so ya nong aba bua gore kana ya nong ke a ketehallwa because ya nong Spanish sengwe sengwe se mo gonna ke tlhapisa laite ke jesa laite ke no ke haslang go tlatleng ke I'm the man of the house now ntse ke le mosadi bana ka ha gape family Spani le nna ha se tlhole ke concentrate shapo ko Spani because ke a imelwa ke le go kopa mmago laite gore no mo tsewe go mo okela go tlatleng wa bona so that nna ke gone focus at least mo baneng they are married 2 years wa bona so Cheria bare now ke setse ya nong ke simotse go cheata ke cheata ka mfana ko mongwe ko Spaning and later ke cheata because ke ntsha stress ka ene ga ke mo relationshiping ka ene le ene but ke ntsha stress ka ene later one servicer ke gona go tshega ke gona molela o itse mathata a me a ko lapeng otlhe wa bona so ha go ntsana le ka nthusa ka ene ha ke batla gore ke le monana ka ke le 27 years old ebe ka moso ke tsoga ke focus mo mthakeng ebe later on ya no setse ke le bo 30 or 40 ke le bo 40 or 50 ebe ke regreta ke re itse keng ga ke a ja bonana ba me ene ke focus mo mthakeng gompieko is gone should I divorce this guy ke chaise ke ipatlele mongwe ke move on ke enjoy life ya me le mongwe o sele kana ke tswelle ka struggle solisi.
Hey, dude, like that's a very unfortunate situation, dog. I mean, dude, like at 26, dude, like you get married at 26, and then at 28, like your partner gets crippled or paralyzed or whatsoever. I dude, like that's very unfortunate.
So, when what you do, or
no, dude, like what is best for her?
Like in future, or advice to women out there, what would you give? Or how to
be honest,
health and just because you are married,
it's like you pay more, like someone, you get it. I'm married to a woman and then I'm there crippled.
Yeah.
She's there, okay. To be honest, like and honest, I wouldn't want her to leave me. But at the same time, it's best for her for a divorce. You get it. So for the woman, it's best for her. I divorce him. It's not an ethical decision, to be honest, but at the same time, Hannah Hodu like is going to drown her for like forever.
Yeah.
Happy looking at the fact that can I do like when you marry? Could do like it also questions the constitution of marriage because kana how like you got the in sickness and in health. The vows.
I was gonna come in there.
Yeah, you get it.
Yeah.
So it tickles you now, Flazer, or do you want to get married? Because how nyala fro if something siragala kana la ka shafisi
o tlo bontso le gono
like would you still stay?
But Flazer, now I relate with that story to a point whereby my parents were caught up in that situation.
Yeah.
Because the day I was born, my father was involved in a very terrible car accident that almost took his life, but affected psychologically. So my mother struggled with him for like 2 to 3 years, trying to mend him to be the man that he is right now. But we're now sharp. So it goes back to that point, like marriage comes the test. If at all you are a Christian or you are a believer, so through thick and thin, that is just God testing you. Like, a bone
Are
gore
you
a
here?
tota are you here wa bona ke a se utlwa story sa Chireo dog.
Yeah.
Trust me,
Yeah,
my mom
it's,
has been through the
yeah,
similar
terrible,
situation.
yeah. This and that.
It's very terrible, it's very
You
sad,
know.
and it's very hard for
Exactly.
both parties.
Yeah.
And you'll never know what comes to
and,
her.
and it would hurt if she leaves the guy.
Yeah.
But
Fana
Kopeli,
ba- Anna
you would
Shah.
understand or king anatama. You get it?
Mang understand?
No, kirela gore like hardly society. Yeah. It would hurt for her to leave the guy. But after a while, ra go tlhaloganya gore kana me go ne go le bokete mo go wena. You get it? As much as she has to stay there.
Oh, she has to stay there.
She has to stay,
She has to
dog.
stay there.
There's nothing like through thick and thin.
Kore
dog.
ha ke
When you
ga-
take vows,
ha
you
ke
take
ga-
vows.
Krimo,
That is
Nigga,
why.
right?
Yeah.
That is why.
Yeah, Krimo.
That's why.
Be there.
That's why those guys, Malungu, they have implemented the word divorce.
What do you mean?
Gore ha go nna thata ho tswa o si.
Mo Africa ga re see.
Mo Africa
How
ha
you
re see.
lungu ka?
Malungu ke
Listen,
yona a siang.
ha ke ga-
Na
ha ke
re
ga-
see.
How do we get married? I can never like re nyalana sekgowa, di-white wedding, this and that.
Gone, but
You get.
that's why gore ke re o bona ire ya rona ya rona
Okay, please, like, let me.
No, but sekgowa se ta later, Joey, kana.
What I can
Ne ke re ke a ko-
Eh.
ne ke re ke
Bona
a ko
dog,
ke re,
like, what
ire
you
ya
saying?
rona yone fucked up but back then ha o lebella bo mma rona le bo ne re ha go ikgolegile
Like I said earlier, kore na kare for me, ke bona e ntshang. You get it? She has to stay committed because of the vows. At the same time, I would understand her tsamaya because what thata, do like she's only 28 years old.
no.
You know, some people would always advise batho ba re senyalweni le le bana yara yara.
Life is not
nyalwane le
fair,
batho.
Joey, and that's how things are supposed to be.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So Flazer,
So
right
Chelo
now,
santse
wena-
ra nne, ha
right
bona
now,
gore
wena
santse
Flazer,
ra
ne?
ete.
Right now, how I can nyala ke re, o wa tronkong for 10 years. Okay? Would you expect your wife to wait for you for 10 years?
I'll go tabo best on that shit
We saw go tronko nke. Let's start it.
No, I don't know. You went to
So
jail.
that would be a stupid
Onyet,
mistake. I would go if I
I
was
get ragate in sickness and in health, for better or worse.
No, but
Marriage.
wait, you can't go do criminal activity. Obore motho a nne mo relationship.
Va-
O za go
like,
tuba
re bua ka
jwang kae?
di-vow.
No, but then again, vows don't. I don't think they.
Ho ka ba bo sa
Eh.
iti ya bo ele just
the vows
nature.
are-
Gore ke-
Listen, vows are in sickness and in health. It equates to that situation in some way. Ebe di tswalla di re, for better, for worse. I get it.
o a bo tswa go ira masepo
For better, for worse.
It does not make
ka no
sense.
tse go tswalo
You cancel ntse go bua ka yone.
tla ke go botse
Eh,
o na le mosadi lenyalane
Eh.
wa gago a ba go cheat a nne
e wa ra ba ntshita.
a nne
Wa reng?
for better or worse a nne kana wena o nne
According to divorce, ke tshwanetse go nna.
no nako tse re
Gore
ra
like-
go golega divorce
Ha ra go tsamaya ka
wena wa
divorce.
reng wena
Thank you so much.
wena
You see, my point exactly. Monna o lwalang o divorce tare mosadi a nne, right? So nna ka re divorce tsa rialo, but at the same time it's challenging. I would understand ga a tsamaya. Divorce di ntse tsa re a ke re go nna ka gore tsa re in sickness and in health. At the same time divorce tsa re for better, for worse. A ke re ha ile gore monna o ile tronkong, divorce tsa re that is the worst. O rile o tla nna. I get it, but I would understand that.
ile tronkong sa go ira masepo
Dude,
yeah
it goes back to the same thing.
It's
Listen,
funny.
you know why? Listen, divorce started for better, for worse. I get like that's one thing.
a nne
No, Hassan, nah. Divorce started for
ka
better.
sengwe se e leng gore mosadi a gona pa tsenang teng monna le ena a gona pa tsenang teng o itwaletse
Can I do who? Can I do like you guys? But lona le bata gore go bereke go sickness and health hela for better for worse go ska ga bereka. No, divorce ha di heletse. Why?
ko bo mate
You get it.
go lwala se bo ba
Eng?
go lwala se bo
Ka re
ba
divorce flazer ha o nyala.
Ka utlwa,
Ha o nyala.
ka utlwa.
Eh, ha di helle di re in sickness and in health. Di tswalla di re for better.
for
Or,
what
you know?
Eh.
Hey. So ha le batla go stick to divorce.
a fotse ka re se ka rela sa bo ne ba rutile Batswana yeah bonang overviewers please comment on this issue and tell us your views gore lona la reng lona le ka ira yang
Yeah.
thank you so much
Marimela ko re still human element ya go nna teng. You get it? Human element ya go nna teng. You get it? Good, like re ska ra question the human element. Because no enough flavors mosadi a ka lwala gona na o nyetse wa go tsama.
No nka nna le ene ke tsana ntse ke gore phapanyana ha le ke mo.
Wa go tsama.
Me ene te mentse ke na le ene. Tsana ntse ke re ka gore
Ka
phapa.
la go tsamaya.
Baby shop
Are neng re.
papa.
Are yeah, moving on, guys. Let us get to this segment now. It's called the gallery. Check your phones. I sent you the e-wallet that I'm late. Yeah, like I sent you guys some e-wallets. You know, yeah. Let us look into the.
I want to message you orange man.
Yeah, can now one.
Cut the other orange.
Mateni go go over. Kwete BW. Kwete BW. Do you like? What do you think of this necklace, though?
This guy's crazy, man.
Like, what do you think of Kwete? Like, he's crazy.
I feel like he's mentally disturbed. He needs to. Like to talk on le batho ba ba ka mo thusa. You know, o bana kwa no mo Botswana. I'm not sure if I'd say mo Botswana or Africa, but you know, this part of the world ka go rona ka kwa. Dio tse dingwe re di tsa motho. Same apply dio tsa go tshwana le bo depression, dio nyana tse di tshesanyane, you know, tse leng go challenge you mentally, you know. We take it lightly. Hela ka utla motsa ya gore re wa mentally disturbed bona. So a ho we go nkapela le se go mpolela gore ware ona depression wa tshwana dio tsa go tshwana le se. But how nna ha tse ke yona ga itleng re bua rena le boss lady gore no kana wa go tlhela le gore ngwana kana ha go le sentle go lapeng a tshwengwe, you know, shit like that. And motsadi o tshaba go bua le motsadi wa ba so ke tsone dio tse ke di buang ka tsone gore late wa go tlhela le gore late ha siam, but rona re tsa lately re feel like is just doing it for Facebook. But how nna ha tse has anyone has family or friends, close friends, has abagile banna le ene ha tse ba bua gore le itaka a mme tota gone mme gone o sha late ne re itse gore ke late ona le sharp anyetse living happily, you know. After that marriage everything went.
Am I better? Like, you knew Kwete before?
No, that's the reason why I'm saying that. Re tswa mo itse ka bopekwa ga ise re mo itse a siana.
No, listen, guys. The thing is that for me, to be honest, like I had a conversation on Overview with Kwete the other day. Like, it sounds like ATI, to be honest. Like, ATI. No, listen to me. Kwete sounds like ATI. Good, like how?
Get Prodigy. He's what he wants.
So what ATI will find?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah.
You know, like how real?
Maybe.
Get it?
Yeah.
Do you like how wrong like ATI?
In general, I'd say ATI is fine. In general, I'd say ATI is fine. Kilibile ha.
Kilibility.
Ha ke tsa Kwete e be ke maha. Kwete wa tse.
Why?
Boros, how ka tsa ATI bo tsa Kwete? Ke mango tetseng sentle.
What do you mean why? I got Kwete gonna go jam me live on Facebook.
Can't do any ATI on magazine. What?
Got Kwete o gonna go jam me live on Facebook.
No, I think ATI is mad.
The porn star,
one thing that you don't get
like porn stars, yeah, fine.
Got Facebook.
I get like porn stars. I get when I like Bajamile like
on Facebook.
How about fine?
Yeah, no, ka gore
Kwete ga porn star. Mo ke Spanish sa gagwe. How go ampolela re Mia Khalifa wa fine. Me ntse di tsore Mia Khalifa. Go mo ke Spanish ba duelo. That's why bona dire DJ. Hanga be sna might nga ba se re dutse. Kwete ha ja ne.
O pusha brand ba go akere.
Ba go jam me.
Like go jam me o pusha brand. Ona controversial. No, please listen. Why were Kwete wa fine?
But you know,
psych test. Because nagar do like Lena before, like I felt the same way until I sat down with them. If we get a dog, this guy man sounds like ATI. Do like how much aputso kwa ukona ATI kana umara so rehaka ya, you know, when you get into Gaborone you go to Airport Junction, from there you go at the other side is Mogoditsane, and driving in my you know, like my car that I bought with cash.
Okay,
you get it.
Kwete is fine.
No, gara lo re ka ta offend ATI wa fine.
Kana wa ne re bua ka Kwete.
Ha ke gane eh.
No compare batho ba le babedi.
Hey.
No, kana go re.
Kwete wa tsenwa.
Nya go rela re ha re go to apeka le ATI wa apeka. You get it?
Wena wa ria.
Because dude, like those niggas are the same though.
80 hour sharp.
You know, do like like that necklace, yeah, the apple, this and that. Do like that's a typical AK-18. Dinam katma 80 year. Lady guy.
You know,
You get it, eh.
they are making money. Ba itse go dilo tsa ba di. They are being controversial. Ba itse gore ha ba tswa ha ba rile dikete tsa madi. A ngwa go tlele gore na meno ena ya pere ku dia batseng. Ke na ene gore hela. Ke di go motsa ga matsi.
E nyeletseng.
Ke one ya gaga yo.
I can never have them. Skotule is a debt collector, right?
Yeah?
What is a debt collector?
Oh, wow. What am I ga maitirelo?
Ke a go bolela.
Ai, fuck that shit.
What is a debt collector?
Morome yone e go tsela madi. Ba go boela go wena ta shwela sa.
Ke mo nkolotang e go siame. No, like let us put him to a test, eh? Right? A re seng ke mongwe o nang le sekoloto a kere. Like e be Roma Kwete gore a go tsamaya. Right? Let's see how it goes. Hey, like the overviewers are watching, like, but our inbox, I wanna lead you colo. Definitely. Yeah, do like this trending pic, Yaga Makazi as well. Hey, man, people never give stories about she's pregnant, huh?
No, you mokamis. Hade.
But you wanna have V.
Mana KKs bi hatman. Master KG. I'm not pregnant.
No, I doubt. Do like this looks like a video.
Yeah,
yeah.
Or karang kwesi ya mela no ana re nka bentse ana go.
Monna, nke bele borotho.
No, I get on ntsana gale.
No ra gore ha ona pregnant.
Besides pregnancy. Until I know what.
Tsa re hutetsa rarti mateo. Ene ra ga boe.
You get it. Do you like speaking of her, Makazi? Do you like a number of South African publications do like they're running with the stories about Master KG and Makazi Bakhawansuki a certain Botswana businessman?
Oh, Mampeezy, had Mampeezy.
I don't know.
Certain businessmen.
Babu like a certain Malaudi. I do like that sound. Malaudi. Can I do like that sounds like a Limpopo name? Yeah, you get it.
Unless bara pimp.
Pimp. PP or pimp.
I can read your parents and manage everything. Like all these tours, all these everything can sort of like PR in a way.
Yeah, it's a businessman. I got like they just got the name wrong.
Hey. No, I'm telling you. Le no na wana buele na or no. Sengwe sa me di deal tsa me performance wise everything shit. Tsa go Botswana buang le PP.
No, but like what I'm saying is that it's not PP. Go tlamala zore businessman go twama.
Go twama. O sa ba go bua ki.
Every Agreement is a businessman.
Hey, go Mampeezy. I got it.
And then there's this other pic, Nadia Nakai.
Hey, she fine though.
She fine.
I love Nadia dog. Not rap wise, but you know, just
how is she as a rapper?
Average. She's
okay.
She's fine. She's not bad. She's not
Sasa class or Nadia Nakai?
Sasa dog.
Sasa class.
Sasa dog.
Chief Ghost, Sasa or Nadia Nakai?
Sarona dog.
Sarona for sure, my nigga.
Sarona for sure.
Sasa dog. Yeah.
Do
in
like
this life and in afterlife.
Yeah.
Do like I just hate the fact that okay, fine. Okay, she was dating Mega. We understand that it hurts.
Says I got the union here.
Station is now the ultimate power in the universe.
Okay, fine. Mega is gone. It hurts, ne? She was the girlfriend at the time.
Yeah.
But dude, like I just hate the fact that when I treat her like a widow now.
Guys, you know what the funny thing is about moving on? There's no a certain period whereby no, it takes 2 weeks or 3 weeks or a month or 6 months or a year. But how can you now you gonna after 2 weeks keep move on, keep to tunes. Dig after dig. We're not gonna go about 6 months. We're not gonna go about so yeah, no matter how much go move on ga gana dia o kare no ga irisha po yela ka bu ya no ba batla go motsa ka re ke video ya
no na gore like I hate the fact that gore do like every time I like what they could do like it's like she was the
wife to
the wife. You get it. Good like every time we gonna like credit to Mega, do like
why
she has to be associated in a way. But dude, like you were just a girlfriend, though. You know, tattoo is a tree. Dude, like, what you think, though? Dude, like, what you think this is, can't? Yeah, and then there is Benna Boy. Shout out to Benna Boy, dog. Dude, yeah. Dude, like, you become the 9 p.m.
No, look at. I'm going to give you five examples. Eh?
Yeah.
Look at Burna Boy, for example.
Yeah.
I don't have a smarty. All eyes on me.
Yeah.
No, anyway, I continue.
Secondly, look at Sam Smith now.
I know Sam Smith is crazy. I'll substitute Kwete for Sam Smith.
Look at Lil Nas. Look at Kanye West.
No,
don't. No. Wamurat. No.
No, doesn't.
Lady Kausumo Molo. I think the shoulder not American rugby.
Fraser no
Look at Baba and Z-Dog.
No, wanna Lil Nas, Sam Smith. Like, you know, Burna Boy. Like, to be honest, like, this is the first crazy outfit. Gabe, when I got Burna Boy. So
no, it's not the first.
Is it?
So many, dog. Yeah, I love Burna Boy. I love Burna Boy so much. So, like outfits, you know, shit like that. So compared to back then, what's
this though, dude? Like, is this a dress?
No, but then again, these guys are approached by these
designers.
Business, huh? Yeah. Yeah, definitely, yeah.
Because most of that, this looks like Wako performance or attending the awards or something.
No, it was a performance. Dude, yeah. This was before stage.
I think on a regular day you find Burna Boy wearing
like this. Dude, like there's that aspect as well, huh? Do like the business aspect.
The business side,
You know.
Yes, they're trying to be unique. But come on, these guys now, they are doing extreme things.
Flazer.
No, but you know how gay people be.
Hey, Flazer. If a certain designer, Mombots, Atahra Flazer, Aparaga Benaway get out
for 2 hours.
120 for 2 hours. You lie. It's like
It's fucking lying.
Place on that parade on 120,000 for 2 hours.
Yeah, I'm judging. Yeah, Hankai, Bora Hankai.
200K.
Hankai. Bueno, Gapar.
Gapare.
After 9 years.
Gapara.
200K. By 9 o'clock.
Gapara, dog.
Gusto Silebo Bani Wana Gapara.
Gapara. 200K. Come on, dog. No, but like there's the business aspect. Like I like that because Lena, like I never thought of do like off that.
But o ka leka go baakanya
Yeah.
o ka leka go baakanya mare e seng go ta apara mosese
Yeah.
entsela lo go tentša designer ra rona e rile ka meteki e tsa 250,000 o performe ka daede hela for tonight.
Performance hela.
Performance
Or can I just come to the podcast? What?
ga re se re attenda magadi wa teng.
I'll fucking
On a
try.
regular day,
I'll
on na
fucking
flazer wa para tuarabele.
I'll fucking
le skipera sa go a ino
machakacha
Hey.
ambaka go apara le exozoma right there.
Yeah, and then there's this other pic of Kulichana, dog. You know, I learned something from Kulichana, and I do like we have an episode with Kulichana, right? Just that it didn't like we didn't add, like because of like there's a khosohale like the quality art thing. You see that he's standing next to art here. I do like to an art piece, you know.
Yeah.
He said that he's investing into art lately, and dude, apparently, man, art has money,
No,
you know.
since way back.
Yeah, I know
back,
since
yeah.
way back, but Ari now like he makes more money through art than through music.
Tata hella just let me just say collector's items.
Mm.
They just make money.
Yeah.
So kudu tsa bogologolo guns, you know,
Yeah.
pictures.
Di aene.
Huh?
A ka lekela ja madi a di aene mo botsa.
Remember? Ke bona tanya.
Yeah, di gopola di aene le.
Dia ene tsa ma-10K ngwana. Tsa mo Jeremane ngwana. Ka ena mo Jeremane.
Yeah, no, but I've heard about watches as well. I do like apparently watches. I do like
yeah.
the guys. Man, like who buy expensive watches.
Yeah.
Dili buy.
Yeah.
From there, like they always make money. Ka go di rekisa hela.
Yeah. No, true. So, like you're saying,
Mike.
going back to the Kulichana story, or he's making more money.
Oh, yeah.
Arte has so much money, my guy. I don't want to lie to
I know, but it's
you.
okay.
Especially, you know, rare
figure it out
things. You know, ga di bone mo thofu. Ke gona go ira madi teng. So, Kulichana now now I'd say is a businessman now. Has to lele more just a normal guy who do flow wise, punchlines, or rapper, Kulichana or Nella, you know, shit like that. Now it's on now Kulichana ever since. Not to be honest, ever since I got on Kulichana now he's smart. He's making money. He's investing.
No, but Kuli has been making money for a while now.
No, I know.
What the fuck? Kuli has been making money for a while.
A little bit.
No, dog. Don't fucking give him
Hey.
I do like for this one I'm fighting. dog.
Rates. Take it easy, Ntwana. Ke na lo yena, ke a dumela
Hey,
na
let's
lo
go.
yena.
Hey.
Hey,
Kuli's a house husband now. Waring. Kari, he's a house husband now because of Lamiz. Kuli has been making money for a while. Kantwari namana fleas. Kuli started investing into art before Kopana Lamiz, dog. Waring kantine mon.
No, I think what Fraser is saying is that, yeah, Cooley's been making money, but right now he's with Mampeezy, and to us it kind of looks like who composed Dinyana.
Complete I
think that's Fraser's point.
Thank you.
Hey.
But in terms of money making,
Still, le madi ba ntse ba dira more,
Cooley has
but
been breaking the
Cooley has
bank.
been making money.
yeah, you get it.
Hey.
Hey. But what's going on? Hala music credit time idea Kuli.
No,
no. Queen has been making money. Dude, like I hate it. Could do like when mfana zwa khakala hasela hanya la go tla go no. Mosadi is in the picture and he's making money. Man, Queen has been making money ka botswa ke nna mana like that song in Atlanta mo KFC. Do like was it Tswada?
I don't know what it is.
Do like the most popular song ya Kulichana man. There is
So stick him.
Truck stick. I make you an moon.
I don't know, but
No,
yeah,
Maria
that
that's
song,
all.
hey,
KFC is a sticky.
But they are Kulichan.
But they are culture. I know that.
That was the first time Kuli went, man, I guess we're gonna do like we did 8 million from that deal hell.
Like a Russian bay, culture has been.
Hey, but absolutely. Thank
the
you so
headphone,
much. Ow! Shut
Hey.
out!
the shooting.
Ow, dog!
When I'm good to Horikari. Go
Dude, like, to sing as well.
yeah.
You know, subs as well.
Hey.
Dude, can't talk like a million in a month.
I don't know.
9 million or
I don't know
whatsoever.
what Netuvoka. I can't be specific like
Show accountant that culture.
Ah, dog. Come on, dog. Come on,
That
dog.
means we still have a cake here, lunch.
I don't like she's here. Order for the cake. Huh?
Nothing
Order for the
else.
cake. No, I get a number. No, I get a number. Kulichana so do like you know. Yeah, so ngarnya no umogodi says aleba. As for the money, Kuli has been having the money for a while.
Yeah, no, true.
You know, for a while. Yeah, there's this Pearl to see peak as well. Speaking of the dresses like Flazer, dude, like how do you feel about this one?
Smash. Why? Even though she's lesbian. No, that rumors, nah, that rumors are not
For real?
like rumors, they are real.
Dude, like it's the first time you
Ah, man,
go
it's been man,
a while.
Straight dog. Straight.
Would you marry?
Who?
Pearl.
Pearl Tooth. Pearl Tooth.
Yeah, I'm talking about Peltus.
Smash.
What's her name?
Wife.
I know, a wife.
Yeah.
Hey, you gotta go see
Oh,
the Robert
she's
Marawa, man.
She's sexy.
Huh?
I've got a whole
No,
bunch
no,
of
no,
videos.
Hey,
Hey,
gotta go see the Robert Robo. Come on, they have a child. I want to see.
No, what about that?
Dog, yeah. What else has been happening, my nigga? Dude, yeah.
Amanda Brown Arwa Ligi.
Yeah.
And like
The
you were saying
gay-
last week, Malava, Nako Yala, we are going to do is dinner on Nancy, the papa.
Yeah. Dude, like we were talking about like a boxing match between women, Mobos the other time. Yeah. True,
All of
yeah.
a sudden, Gilly and Amanda Brown, they're preparing or shit like that to have a match against each other. So,
Yeah, Gailey versus
Amanda
Brown.
Again, Amara Brown.
Yeah, Ama Brown.
Ama
Brown. Yeah. From that issue, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, Lean. Who do you think is gonna win between Gailey and?
Gilly Road.
Hey, baby, you know what, man.
I fear for Amanda, though.
I think probably they're going to just do it for fun. They're not going to do those body weight shit like that because quite metal do it.
No, but you mean like
like on professional
yeah, classes,
level.
yada. Dude, like how you
The
can
heavyweight,
see
you know.
Casper fighting with pretty ugly.
You see,
Dog, yeah.
so if you like just for fun,
Yeah.
more, you know,
Yeah.
on board. So haki because na gili bella Mantla Brown. Giluna le mele hello motono o heta ngwa Mantla Brown.
Definitely, happy Gailey pantsola like we say.
Hey,
You know.
Wow, kaulela ngwana batho mo kwane.
And do like I just hate the man. I don't know, not hate. Maybe hate is a strong word. I always feel uncomfortable. Like how on leading to, like a fight out there. Like it's a fight for GBV.
Baru crazy anyway.
How do you try to combat violence? Like, we know that boxing is a sport. We know that, but at the same time, like how do you? But at the same time, you get it. I remember Franco and Dr. Vom. Like what? Hey, I get it. Franco and Dr. Vom fighting for GBV.
GBV idingalo because tota gona tsele re tech lambat. The only way is to talk. That's the only way.
Education.
The rutamba to the red flag.
You know, I also like the fact that we got Kwete and then like we brought him here the other time because he's a perpetrator.
Yeah.
I've realized that in terms of GBV, kore hang go bata go bua le di-perpetrator to understand gore
gore kante wa bo go iragalang
Exactly.
wa bo go tlilwe
wa bo go tlile ke eng go iragalang kana like le your mindset I go ra bona gore like o ntse o question sa ka gago
Yeah.
le gore like le mindset wa gago like
A
how
ba
ta
ba
go
siame,
ga bo
go
go
iragala,
iragetse
o
stuff
godile
like that
jang.
you know do like these things do like what cycling bo boxing not that I'm trying to cramp la Mantla Browns fight or whatsoever
but bona ke ra ba
Yeah.
direle GBV
no like that do it for GBV
yeah
I'm telling you dog
ana ka ra ba ja monatela go a go jwa monate
o kana khanya GBV ke thapo ya la go di sponsor
obvious gore a ra mo khete ya tsama
chili boile
akake
she lies yeah what else has been happening dog ke bona gote Lucas Radebe like the do like there's talk that Lucas Radebe is the best center back
of all time
of all times in South Africa.
wena wa ganitse
It makes sense.
and I feel like they're dropping
It
a
makes
documentary about Ene Lucas Rade.
What do you think, Boros?
No, 100%.
100%
No one comes
close.
close to him.
Yeah. And like the partnership with Mike Fisher was iconic, huh?
He's even a legend to go Leeds. One of this guy was really big.
Dude, like the funny thing is that I was talking to Ghost about this the other day. Kere kana Leeds ko ntleng ine sa bati Lucas Radebe. Ine sa nna kana ke film a singer. Lucas Radebe was brought in as a like gore no like atla a mo keep that. So Lucas Radebe was signed by Leeds gore atla keep him fana. Wa bona gore like ha ba leda you know annele. So do like you know even I think that he was training kind of with the B side or something. Do like he was a goalkeeper at some point. I agree, you know.
Yeah.
Like at Leeds. Yeah, dog.
Yeah, only to prove them wrong. Well, Rona hela na captain ya Leeds. Respect ya Zango Leeds is way too much. So now I think he deserves it.
And do like there was a certain argument in Twitter the other day. Someone apparently Ferguson wanted to sign him. He turned Ferguson down. You get it? So some people were that was foolish. Turn Ferguson down because, I mean, one he would have made more money. Exposure, yada yada, you know, and he would have stood or like more iconic for Manchester United. Some people were but like. Like because do like you see now like he's an icon. Apparently be like Lebana Bamalungu Koliti, Babidu Lucas, some Babidu Radebe. What do you think?
In football you'll never know. That's the thing about football. When you are a player, Oscar you won't make it. Now I think he could have made it to go Manchester United. I feel like he could have made it Manchester United because the guy was too good. He was good.
Yeah.
But you could see this guy is very good.
Oh, yeah.
By now, give some few Premier League medals. And maybe, what was it in Gandhi? When did he
I don't remember. So like he chose to be safe. Yeah, like
he checking out.
Yeah, come on, America. No, hey, like there was a talk about OJ, like Ojon Mabizel.
Ojon Mabizel, yeah.
Like some people were like he's the greatest centre back. Go. Come you know, yeah, like hey, like some people were OJ was better, stuff like that. You know, what about in Botswana though? Best centre back.
I don't know.
Chico Sigma Botswana. Tuma. No, Apache. Yeah. All day, every day. All day, every day. What about in the whole world? No, like, let's go to La Liga first. Like, what about in La Liga? Like, in La Liga, I would give it to Pio. And then, And then Sergio Ramos, maybe, like, number 2. You know, what about in England?
In EPL?
Yeah, EPL.
keeper?
For me, it tends to be Vidic. Though.
Yeah,
Like Nemanja Vidic.
Negrika is between Vidic and Ferdinand. Yeah.
Like, what about you guys?
It was company essentially.
Yeah. Right?
And maybe John Terry.
John Terry, I know, yeah. Yeah, man, this ushers us into sports with Borosoki.
Boroso.
Let's go, my boy.
What's up, my G's?
Yeah.
Lemonada agere.
Ramanatera.
Okay, this week ya re simulela ka re tabogela go USA. We saw Messi signing for Inter Miami. Did you guys see the deal ya thing ira last week agere?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, he's going to Inter Miami and then he claims it's not about money. What do you feel?
He's lying.
I think it's more lucrative compared to him going to
Saudi Arabia.
Hey, because I get like there's equity there.
Okay, what states?
Hey, like that team you are retire money the shares. Hey, but from there what like it's not about money.
It's always about money.
It's about money, dog.
It's always about fucking money. Because your deal, I think it includes a percentage share from Adidas and Apple. Man, just imagine. Can I Apple and then the other part of acquisition part your Inter Miami. Or are owner Inter Miami ha retire. Hey, what shares so yeah, he's gone. He could have went back to Barcelona, but now I think he did it himself. For now.
Yeah,
because now I think Messi we really tota guys.
Tota gape ke kganya go kala. Ha o lebile ko Saudi o ba le ba ko Bakha ba le gone kwa ileng teng. It's all about the money at the end of the day.
And even Barcelona, I feel we're never to be pieces of Morago calling a person like Kurne, the Cristiano Ronaldo incident in Manchester United. So it was gonna be the same. So Barcelona should move forward.
Yeah, for Messi now I'd say that like he did himself justice. I mean, dude, like he's 35 years old now. He has won everything. You know, like the World Cup single. So, like we say, like it's all about the money. I mean, like before Inter Miami, he was headed to Saudi, to be honest.
Yeah.
But Inter Miami came with a better offer. One on equity, like the shares. I think going to change in single. So yeah, like at 35, he's good. You know, he's
fine.
Good. Yeah.
Yeah. The other issue in everyone this past week, we saw Zlatan Ibrahimovic retiring from football. I don't like him as a player now, but I respect him. Zlatan.
I don't like him at all.
Why?
I don't like he's a big mouth. Marley has never won shit. Dude, like Mario always claims to be God. Dude, that guy has never won a UEFA, he's never won a World Cup, he's never won nothing or Euro whatsoever. Dude, but Ballon d'Or, but Manona Claymore is better than Ronaldo, he's better than everyone, he's better than fuck that guy. Fuck Zlatan. And when I do like what I hate is that how where people pay attention. They say dude like he has one say you get it.
And then how do you feel about him when a Flazer? Yeah. Why? As a player or
yeah, like you like the character. Okay. Him as a player,
it's fine.
you know?
Fine.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, the other thing this year's I think 2022, 2023 seasons are now officially over. And now we are heading to off season. One of the transfer news. This past week we saw Liverpool signing a player by the name McAllister, the Argentinian boy. You know him again. Yeah, the World Cup winning boy. So I think he's gonna be a good addition more on Liverpool going forward. Liverpool enough for now. I think they are going to challenge for the league this coming season because all the players have quality compared to teams like Manchester United and Arsenal.
Chelsea has quality, dog. Like, do you
and
see
even
that
Chelsea. Yeah, Chelsea, I think problem is in Banalone and the coach. But for now, they have a new coach in Pochettino.
Oh yeah.
Pochettino ke coach le ngorona le experience with EPL in and out. So I think they are going to challenge next season.
Yeah.
But I feel sorry for Manchester United and Arsenal for now. I agree, you know, go EPL go na fluctuate. Go season la Man U is number 2. Next season ba ira yang ba go tlase.
Well, us as in Man U maybe, but I think Arsenal is going to contend like next season. I think.
And even now teams are signing players. Manchester United and Arsenal, what are they doing?
Politics.
What the fuck are they doing?
AFTV. Hey man, Glazers man, I feel like
and then the other issue you say Manchester United, it seems like the Glazers bading alom rena. But in Qatar, I'm not sure what are they willing to sell to them or Hababat or maybe something, because this thing has been going on for like more than 2 months.
Yeah.
So it seems like because
apparently they want to remain with certain shares in the club, but the Qatari guy about like total takeover.
That's a problem.
And the like the English guy apparently like he's offering them
say Redcliffe.
Apparently, and I don't know, like back on 10% and I own an.
Yeah, that's the problem.
He's the favorite to buy it now.
So I think Manchester United they are on a very difficult off season because ba focus more regising team. They are not focused more again the players. Next season. Manchester United are in a depth. You saw in team level team in Europe at Bijama. It's already or Man City. Sevilla, so yeah. I think going forward, but the Silly Nights are made like a speed so that they can be able to play player in time. But like a combination, can a player I tell away saying.
Yeah.
And the other issue, everyone in Iraqala, we saw Real Madrid signing the English kid, the English kid, Bellingham.
Yeah.
Hi, Bellingham, I think he's gonna be a good addition in Real Madrid. Can tell us about the Real Madrid?
All of us, dude. Malo, when some check up, the overview radio is cruise and fade because Basapota is a chief Real Madrid, you know.
Yeah, let's make it quick. We saw Madrid signing and a Bellingham. We saw Benzema leaving Madrid and we will mention them in the next show. Since the other issue about last week we saw VTM. We saw VTM being promoted to the Premier League. Big up to them.
Hey, big up to Pekin team.
VTM.
Yeah. Adding on to that, let me squeeze this in. They were here last week, Mosaic had like having the awards here.
You're on a VTM?
Yeah, VTM.
Oh,
like
that's
the whole
good.
team
That's
was here.
good.
Yeah.
So congratulations to them. Now I believe they deserve it, and I'm on a good edition more on a Premier League. And then lastly, you get a half fleas. We saw last week even Naba Polabas, Mostrati.
Everything, but I feel like it's childish.
Facebook page.
Everything. So I get kitty, but you're not getting Ronald Hansa, Nagel sponsor, I get some time. So, but like, it's, and I feel like it's childish for Bojack Dish or the radio.
No, Doc, that's business. Why? That's business, dog. It's business. If Rolla say, like,
so officially, Jack Dish is gone, guys.
It's gone. Yeah.
Starting from next season, Rolla said, "Ele no siko."
I don't believe I'm also last time big.
I can Jack Dish.
But
ke ra gone gore me gone mosola bone kana no ga ba bua gore ba dira mo teaming but
Na ba buile gore
inputinyana mo
na ba buile gore ba ntsha madi usually ba sponsora ka madi every season bona ba ntsha madi ele ba neela team
so bone ba santse ba setse kana le bone ba gaotse
for now ba santse ba
Apparently,
teng.
no, apparently all the sponsors remains. I get happy when
I go sign a contract, you can't just
to
leave.
honor. So they remain. You get it? Kana
Yeah,
Jack Dish was the finance. How to have a mic or podcast can 1 hour. Let's please again and salad.
Let's close it off, guys.
Yeah.
Next week re le ba gona ya lo go desert race go joining
Yeah.
go ile gore bo Flazer ba go ira dio tse di sa siamang but mathene kontate
Ao kweta. Ao tete.
but since na go chaila I think we'll talk more about it on the next episode.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
The next coming Monday.
All right. Yeah, let us sign out, guys. Chief Ghost.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let us say bye to the people. I can see that barata
Eh, ba nthata go
rakwa.
Central.
Bua ka botewane bo
Eh, ba
bone
ngwana ba
bo.
marata.
Eh, wa re ke kae? Bua la bohelo.
Rapitsi, calamari, shoshong, serowe, paje,
Palape.
palape.
Patikwane.
Everybody who's in the fucking central, man. Your boys outside. And I'll talk a sing when I talk to
Well,
Chief Ghost. I'll talk about Bankang.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Ba bokala ka bona wa reng ka bona
Go, mama.
Ko bokala ka
Eh, go bokala ka kitse. Ona no yeno mo wa ngkolota. Ke ta mo.
o mo romelle Kwete
Yeah, Flazer the motherfucking DJ, the only DJ who can fight.
Yeah, let me close
and
it down.
rap.
It's your boy Flazer, the motherfucking DJ. Make sure ka di 30 tsa June go famous lounge.
We're shooting a movie.
Flazer Tona mo Gaps. I'd be there with Scar. I'd be there with the fucking two hippos, Chief Ghost, Boroso, JB, BJB, Madida. Hey, the lineup is just endless.
Fella.
Fella.
Boss lady.
Boss lady. Okay, Scooby-Doo. Scooby's
Baruti wo Pastor Bini. Motaso.
You know, the entrance is just
Everybody there, though.
everybody.
Everyone.
Masisi.
And this is how yeah, and this is how we sign out, baby. With the we out. We out.
Are officially plugged into the Overview Podcast. Overview.